At ICNA Relief USA, we embody the spirit of American Muslims' commitment to disaster relief. Our dedication spans from preparedness to response and recovery, ensuring comprehensive coverage every step of the way. Our focus lies in mitigation, advocacy, and the cultivation of resilient communities. We achieve this through training, networking, strategic deployment, and sustained case management. And now, 10 days into our mission, ICNA Relief has been working tirelessly to meet the needs of those affected by Hurricane Idalia. We've methodically processed work orders, including debris cleanup, tree removal, and related tasks. This has been a collaborative effort, strategically executed in partnership with voluntary organizations active in disaster, including partners like the Red Cross, Salvation Army, Crisis Cleanup, and many others. Together, we rebuild stronger and better, always championing the cause of those impacted by disasters. If you'd like to be a part of this critical endeavor to support disaster victims, please visit us at icnarelief.org/DRS. You can also choose to make a lasting impact by signing up as a volunteer at icnarelief.org/volunteer.